Uba Alan West Karkungor bola peniso yelede syaka National People Party hak no pai singi ka live way to regulisa warja arwar uong ba ka jingon peniso ka jung u syaka NPP bat ban yakun nya election MLA na Sohra house nam arja arpulai kadai naman baki kam kiba ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hak jingalam ka NPP kale na kamenta ka jingman to ki pai ba Uloong baka sarkar kala lebun kiye kum ka kampan bai kaput ka jingi kun persya ka kalam COVID-19 ka jing pendep ya ka Kyrwoh hotel bat kum tau Khmih lynti baka sarkar kan penolong ya ka jing nut ki babun kata ban kentiu kerdan district no ya ka Sohra civil subdivision da ka bayro ya ka sarkar ka bala simkhia ban stang biang ya ka jingatir halo ka jingdawa district ha Sohra uloong bak kum baka sarkar kala ban pendep ki we pat ki kam kum taru Khmih lynti baka Sohra district kan dei ka Christmas gift sakinong Sohra bat sila
ngam jurung parti gulmar bat ngalai iru bagan ka sarkar yang Sri Konrad ba presiden kadai balak ban penurlang ba YKKA ba presiden Sri Konrad ngathai ka jing angnu de ginong Sohra ru fide ban peni ba fide ban penurlang esok khana fi ba presiden dang wanwat yang am tandang kanu bana bele election ngong em mo ngong kapur ka duna e Tindai yang perhat bang orang deh gidon ki isu Sohra giba. Ndai ji isu jong ngasimen. Sohra ke distrik lai angnu nadu por badon. Kamor lo. Ha gitu ki por mengia dan mengi forum ru kasu sakut na om tu. Nak kata kadau pi gini gibri gi babun kam. Ki hab handal ndai isu te tang isu jong Sohra sibun. Lada ginong yalam jongi gibadan mensua gimlet pen kun mau asai gim kun mau dan bok ngaruh atau kopor bawan bak presiden orang ngapen kun mau tapi kat ko isu jong kan ni ka Sohra jong toh baleng sarung mentasi ngadon kadau dang mencam tayo ngalai i ka jing simkhia jongki le khot yo forum nilai keren syai ndai ba syai keren hari untuk syai yakiar mo syai tang dab rukom Haji Sia i PS jong siam yang AP opor dang khatsan minute. Ni syong si kan tasite because we want to deliberate on the issue. Kani kamde kam kai ban sia rai no am tu sia le no anton tu. Tengah song on behalf of the forum ngarung ade member. Ada penpau jing songu dengan sarkar bakal simkhia yang mentas. Sa sisen ada isu district. Bang ada songu bila ong ya UCS re-initiate yang proses Partumba kalau mentali ngambil don daw syuk makan Islam. Situ ang ni ginong Sohra ki Khmih lynti Christmas gift. Tena kata daw ang bagan ni sarkar kalau peni bakal le sibun ki kam ya ini isu distrik yang Sohra ngam thrai gande gijing Ahmad ki.
Umitirang ba kejelap konrat ki sangma ulak pedang burom yo ba alan ulong ba kamat ikran halok Sohra district hi kadai ka ba alan uang not ba Khmih lynti bakan urlong kumba urlong ki jingsna ik surok na tengah sa Sohra hi.
Be it different issues, even as we speak today. The district issue for Sohra was something that was very close to his heart. And even now he has taken this issue up, brought out a detailed presentation, discussed with all the stakeholders, took the trouble of bringing them to my office, showcasing to me where the issues lied and how we could move forward, which then compelled the government to re-examine the entire issue, asked the Chief Secretary to meet them. There are concerns about the district. I have mentioned it many times. But the commitment and the desire in his heart to be able to fulfill a goal that he takes up, this is another example of how he is continuously moving towards ensuring that whatever is good for the people, he is committed to it and is moving forward. Be it the different works in the road construction. I'm happy to tell you it's not that it happened because Alan West is joined today. But even few weeks back, in fact, when he had met me, he mentioned about the roads to Sohra and he said that some patches are still left and the work must be completed. And this was even before he had mentioned about joining the party. And from that time, because of the weather conditions, we were not able to start the work. But I had already initiated the discussion with PWD department, and it just so happens that on the day that he is joining the party, even the work for the Sohra road, the part that is left, the work is started today. I just got a message from the chief engineer with some photographs. I think some of you while coming to Shillong must have seen that the work has started today. It's not that we planned it this way, but maybe God had a plan. That this is how we would like to welcome the people of Sohra into NPP, how we would like to welcome by Alan West. And I'm happy to see that all the issues that he's been taking up are actually moving forward. And we are seeing that because of his commitment to the cause for the people of his constituency, of his area, and for East Khasi Hills and for Meghalaya state as a whole, that commitment is bearing fruits today, and we are seeing result at the grassroots level.